going to be reviewing the Dove hair mask. And trust me or not, ये आपका हेयर केयर गेम पूरे तरीके से चेंज कर देगा. So without any more further ado, let's just get into the video. तो जो मेरे चैनल में न्यू हो उन्हें शायद नहीं पता होगा, लेकिन मैं ऐसे नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड रिव्यूज करना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ अपने चैनल में. बिकॉज नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड रिव्यूज में मैं खुद का रिव्यू एक प्रोडक्ट को यूज करने के बाद उसको बाय करती हूँ अपने पैसों से, एंड देन आई ट्राई द प्रोडक्ट एंड देन आई शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज. So I think this is something very nice to build up a beauty community or a skincare hair care community where we talk about products and we girlies can actually share about products which work or which does not work. So I mostly share products which works for me so that even you can get your hands on that product and have the same benefits as I have. So without any more further ado, हम इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे और ये मेरा एक बहुत ही फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट है. तो लेट्स बिगिन. मैं पिछले 3 मंथ से इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज कर रही हूँ. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट परचेज, आई वुड से, नॉट माई सेकेंड परचेज. इसके बाद में मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यूज इंस्टा यूट्यूब में मैं देखी थी, एंड देन आई थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट गिव इट अ शॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ. बिकॉज मेनी अ टाइम्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, मैं पहले ही बता देती हूँ कि इससे पहले भी मैंने काफ़ी सारे हेयर मास्क यूज किए हैं. आई हैव यूज द प्लम कोकोनट हेयर केयर रेंज, उसका हेयर मास्क, एंड आई हैव यूज द मामा अर्थ हेयर मास्क. आई हैव ऑल्सो ट्राइड द प्लम that green colored mask. I'm forgetting the exact name right now, the exact variant I mean, and I haven't seen any such difference. Instead, I saw my hair has become too greasy. Even with the plum coconut hair care range, the blue white one, my hair turned greasy and sticky after application. Before getting deep into, मैं इसका price और quantity दोनों ही बोलना चाहूँगी. The price is 649 and the volume, the quantity will be 300 ml. So I think it's good, and 649 usually you don't have to pay. It's mostly in offer. If you get your hands on this from Nykaa or Amazon or Tira Beauty, you get it under some kind of offer. तो I think 550 में ये आपको easily मिल जाएगा. So it's not that expensive. Like it works too good. I mean, I have been getting compliments left and right. People actually come up to me and ask that what have you applied to your hair? Why is it so shiny and glossy? Have you done some kind of treatment? But trust me, I haven't done any treatment. In fact, मैंने पिछले बार जब स्पा किया था, my hair turned rough. And honestly speaking, I had colored my hair a year back. एंड तब से मेरा हेयर इतना ज़्यादा रफ हो गया था. Whenever I used to shampoo, मेरा हेयर इतना ड्राई रफ लगता था. स्पेशली माई हेयर ends used to look very bad. In fact, even these portions used to look, even the mid lengths used to look quite rough and flaky. बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं दिखता था. And then I just got my hands on this Savior product, and trust me guys, इसने तो मेरा हेयर केयर गेम ही चेंज कर दिया है. इतना ज़्यादा ग्लॉसी लगता है बाल. I'll show you. ये आपका बाल, मतलब it will not help you in hair growth or anything, but it will definitely help you in your overall hair quality. That will actually look so good, like so good. And my hair is not thick. My hair hasn't been thick ever. My hair was always thin. But the quality of the hair, the texture looks so pretty, so shiny and so pretty. तो बाल का क्वालिटी तो बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया, शाइन करता है, चमक है बाल में, इट्स ग्लॉसी. एनीवे, नाउ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द टेक्सचर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. इसका बहुत ही क्रीमी सा टेक्सचर है. ये आप आफ्टर शैम्पू एप्लीकेशन आपके बाल में लगा सकते हो. इसको आप हफ्ते में एक ही दिन लगाओ, जस्ट वंस इन अ वीक, एंड द अदर डेज इफ यू आर शैम्पूइंग योर हेयर और वॉशिंग योर हेयर, तो आप शैम्पू करो और फिर कंडीशनर लगा लो. कोई भी कंडीशनर लगा सकते हो. मैं तो डव का ही लगाती हूँ, और शैम्पू में लव अर्थ का लगाती हूँ. लव अर्थ, लव ब्यूटी प्लैनेट वो वाला लगाती हूँ मैं. आई शो यू समडे फॉर श्योर. उसका मैं रिव्यू करती हूँ, मतलब करना चाहती हूँ और भूल जाती हूँ. एनीवे, सो आई डू द रिव्यू ऑफ दैट, द वन वेरिएंट विच आई एम यूजिंग. एंड शैम्पू आई यूज डव hyaluronic acid one. If you want reference, I can give a picture for you all. And I use this hair mask once in a week. I use it and it's so good. So yeah, the texture is good. I'll show you the texture. It smells also so good. It has a typical Dove smells. Dove smells good, but I do not like the Dove shampoo. Again, ये कोई not sponsored नहीं है. Dove is not paying me for this. So yeah, this I do not like the Dove shampoo at all. It gives me hair fall and it has sulfate too, sulfate and paraben too. So I just stay away from that shampoo. I don't like it at all. Anyway, this smells so good. Actually, I try and keep the silver thing. ये इसका texture है बहुत ही creamy सा, इसका texture है बहुत ही creamy सा. ये कुछ ऐसा texture का है, क्रीमी सा बटरी सा टेक्सचर है जो बहुत अच्छा स्मेल करता है. और आप इसको ऐसे 5 मिनट रख दो अपने बालों में एंड देन यू कैन वॉश इट ऑफ आफ्टर शैम्पू. मैं तब पूरा लेंस में. एंड आप शायद बोलोगे कि सल्फेट तो इसमें भी है, लेकिन द थिंग इज दैट नो, if you are using a shampoo usually you actually massage your scalp with a shampoo. So using sulfate products directly on your scalp might do more harm than good. But with a mask, you do not put a mask in your scalp. अपने scalp पे मास्क अप्लाई नहीं करते हो, आप बस अपने लेंस पे मास्क अप्लाई करते हो. So your hair mask is for your lens, not for your scalp. Your hair conditioner is for your lens, not for your scalp again. And your hair shampoo is not for your lens, it's mainly for your scalp. हाँ, जो बचता है इधर उधर you do it on your lens too, but it's actually for your scalp. Overall, I think even if you have forgotten to oil your hair the day before or 3 to 4 hours before, and your hair is not in a very good condition and you do not have the time to go to a salon for your spa and whatever, you can simply apply your favorite shampoo sorry, with this hair mask and your hair will have a very glossy and a lustrous shiny finish to it. So I'm not promoting this in a way. I am actually saying that this product is really good and it has worked for me. So do a patch test before using any product, because before using any hair care or any skin care or any makeup products, you should do a patch test. And this, the review is completely my personal review where I have used and seen results on myself. So I just want to share it with you guys. So guys, I think I've been literally giving you so many hair care reviews. I've given the latest Indie Wild review. I'm going to give the link somewhere if you haven't watched that. And I've also reviewed the Pilgrim shampoo for you guys. It's a clarifying shampoo, a very good clarifying shampoo in fact, and an affordable one. So you'll see mostly budget products in my channel. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing and also follow me on Instagram, or press on the notification bell icon. It's all the same thing. You all know the drill by now. And if it would be really nice if you could comment down below and tell me what else I should shoot for in my next upcoming videos, because I'm all in this YouTube right now. I want this 2025 to be my YouTube year where I am particularly going to shoot videos for you guys. Mainly I'm going to be shooting review videos more than anything else, because I know आप सब मेरे review videos बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हो. I've been seeing so many comments and that makes me so happy. I mean, I cannot tell you guys how much happy even that one comment of yours makes me. I try my best to reply to all of you guys, and I have seen a lot of comments where you ask me so many things. Now it doesn't become like, it's not really possible to comment or to answer everything in details in the comment. So you can also DM me on my Instagram. I'll always reply, no matter what. I'm always going to reply. I'm going to share my Instagram handle also. You can DM me anytime and I will be replying whenever I see your message. So do DM me if you have such big big things to ask. I'll always be there to help. And इसका मतलब this hair masks link I'll be providing. It's not a sponsored or an affiliated link, guys. You can directly get it from the link which I will be pasting in the description box. This is in the variant 10-in-1 deep repair treatment. So it is actually going to nourish your hair, and this also kind of helps with the split ends. तो आपका स्प्लिट एंड से ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करने वाला है. अगर आपके पास स्प्लिट एंड्स है then please try using this product and help me reach 500 please. So yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my videos and showering me with so much love. I'm more than grateful to all of you out there for watching my videos, for supporting me. And that's all for today. Bye bye and see you super soon in my next upcoming video. I have some fantastic review videos coming up for you guys. Stay tuned.